I've had some really big surprises having to do with sodium. Some are high sodium, some are low sodium. I'd really be curious to find out what your surprises are. If you'll leave me a little comment, you might be doing something I do not know about. I knew that our water from the tap has sodium in it because I call them the water department, and it's got between 35 and 37 milligrams for every cup. We drink a lot of tea, but I like my tea clear. So for years, I've used bottled water. My tap water makes it cloudy, and there's a sediment in the bottom of the pitcher. What surprised me the most is that some people cannot taste the sodium in water until it gets to be over 100 milligrams per cup. We cannot taste the sodium that's in our water, so I don't know how high it's got to be. Because we use bottled water for our tea, and because I know I've got some sodium in my water, I use it for lemonade, coffee, and cooking. We use bottled water with no sodium for all of that. And just in case you haven't noticed, I'm over 51. The guidelines say I should have no more than 1,500 milligrams a day. If I were making all of our tea and lemonade and coffee with tap water, and if it had 100 milligrams of sodium per cup, with as much as I drink, we're in the desert, I go pull a weed, or 2 or 3, come back in, have 16 ounces of tea. Walk around with my tea all day long. I could easily have 1,000 milligrams of sodium a day just in my water. That's pretty scary. It does not leave much for food. That was my biggest shock of all of them.